Are you serious?
So what is it?
What the heck?
What is it?
Looks like a baseball card.
What does it say on the back?
Hey, look, it's me.
Hi, Steve. What's it say on the back? Read it.
That's so cool. Alright. Steve has had a lot on his plate. With his health issues, he's been striking out a lot.
Baseball pens.
He was not sure how he was going to wind up. His wife Heather thinks he is a great catch, so she's decided to go to bat for him. Now Steve will be a rookie recipient at Vanderbilt Trent.
I found out today. Oh, I'm at work. And I'm a mess. And you could be getting a kidney by the end of this month.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. So I did it on Monday before I even knew. And it takes 3 to 5 days. So
You're saving my life.
yeah.